Hi all, for Andy here. Right, I come across this and only 169. A two-step curry sauce, pathia, that's called. I had to Google it, and that's how they say you pronounce it on there. Never had this, never seen it before. Never tried that make. So I've got some chicken breast here. Let's take a closer look at this first, and we'll go from there. So here we go then, specially selected pathia, originating from the Parsi community of India, a spicy, sweet and sour, hot. Sounds nice. You can try it with prawns or cauliflowers and peppers. I'm doing chicken. Yes, we're doing chicken in this house. Why not? Chicken breast. I had some left over from that lovely Ammons curry we done with chicken breast, so why not use them? A tomato and onion curry sauce with a blend of spices. These are your directions for use and how to do it. I'm going to do it slightly different. I'm going to take this cap off there and I'm going to marinate the spices in it, and I'll come back and then cook up. Right, ingredients, there you go, that's all the ingredients in there. We've got allergen and mustards, as we see. Tap browse if anyone's interested. That's allergy advice. Yeah, see ingredients in bold. May also contain nuts, peanuts and gluten. 360 grams, that is 169. Traffic light system on there if anyone's interested. Yeah, suitable for vegetarians. So I never had this one before, so yeah, let's get cracking with it. So I've got some chicken here on a plate, which I've already chopped up, chicken breast. So I'm just gonna plonk that in this bag. So I'm gonna get the spices out of the lid, coat the spices, let them marinate for a couple of 3 hours, and then we'll come back later on, cook this up, basically see what it's all about. Well, that's the idea anyway, he says. A little bit, leaping away there. Right, we'll get rid of that and clean that down in a sec. Right, that's our chicken. So, turn you around there a bit more. With that knife. See that all right, hopefully. Right, so we're going to get our stuff. Get the sauces, got a clean knife here. I'm just gonna pull that off there. This is our little, like a marinade. Well, it smells really nice. Say, never had this before, so I don't know what I'm walking into, but we'll certainly find out. Gonna just sling it in all over that chicken, like so. Get some air out of there. Just tie that up and roll it about in the bag. Shove it in the fridge and then really worry about this in a few hours time. When we come back, we'll get all this worked in here for a few minutes. And as I say, we'll see what this is all about. Yeah, never had this one, 169. I see it, I said to Cohen up there, I said, well that, I said, never heard that one before. Can we get it? Yeah, why not? Give it a try. Could be nice, could be bloody awful. We don't know. Never know until you try these things. Right, I'm just going to carry on mixing this and we'll get this in the fridge. That's everything coated on there. Put this in the fridge. I will come back to you good people. I don't know, 3 or 4 hours time and we'll get cooking. Catch you in a bit. Right, we're back. Just cut the top off this chicken. That's been marinated now for 4 hours in there. I'm just going to switch this on. I've got a pan with some ghee in, so we're just going to melt this, get this chicken in, and yeah, we'll go from there. Right, that's getting nice and hot, so let's just get this chicken in. Just drop that straight, and we've got a good old sizzle going. Separate all this chicken up. I just done some sweet peppers, a little bit of onion on top to go in with this. I'll just get some colour on this chicken first though. Right, we'll leave that to do its thing, and I'll come back with you guys in a minute. Right, this chicken's starting to get a nice colour on here now, so still burning somewhere around the next 10 minutes or so. So I'm just going to throw in these onions and some sweet peppers. Put them all in there. Give it a mix up. So I'll just let that go for probably 5 minutes and then I'll add the sauce to it. Right, I'm going to open this sauce, pop that open, get that sauce into here. I'm just going to rinse this jar. Right, a bit of water. That should do it nicely. Rinse the jar, about a quarter of the jar there. And we'll get this all mixed in. I'm going to get the lid on. Let it do its thing. For around about, I don't know, half hour. And then if the sauce needs reducing, I can always turn up on the last bit. Right, knock that on there, lid on there, and get the heat right on low. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. Right, curry's coming along nicely, that's nearly done. We got some rice, I picked this one up, mixed pepper, microwave rice, so I've never tried that one. I'm not going to do the rice from scratch, it's midweek and I'm really running out of time. So I picked this one up and I thought we'll split that with Kay. See what that's all about. Mixed pepper microwave rice. Also, just while I'm on the subject here, today, well, when you see this will be Thursday, which will be the 30th of July. And there was a birthday, I did get a message, but it was a bit late because I'd already done the videos and everything, so that'll be a birthday from yesterday, the 29th, and that was for Samantha from Dundee, Scotland. Happy birthday from yesterday, Samantha. I hope you had a great day. Not sure your age, but as I always say, age is a number, but I hope you had a fabulous day. Yeah, thanks for watching. Right, I'll crack on with this. We'll get this plated up in a minute. Yeah, happy days. Right, so the curry is done. Just waiting for the rice. We'll get dished up. Next time we see us, we'll be on a plate. There we go then. The chicken pathia and the new, well, that's new to us, mixed pepper rice, which come from Lidl. Yeah, let's get stuck into this. That's Kay's, that's mine. Let's go. Right, here we go then. Let's try this. I'm just going to get myself a spoon out.
Right, have a spoon.
Yeah, I've got the naan bread again, just half them big Belash ones from Aldi. We'll try the rice. Well, I'm going to try the rice. I don't know about you. Just want to see what this mixed pepper rice is like. Oh, quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That was, say, from Lidl. I think that was about 69 pence, wasn't it? On that.
I can't remember how much it was.
Right, let's dive into this chicken paste. Now, just watch it, because it might be hot. And I mean that, because it's just come out of the pan.
And spicy.
I don't know if it's spicy. It says hot on the jar, a 3 chilli job. Eating a curry in a heat wave. It can't be bad, can it? Never tried this before, so I don't know what it's like. Oh, look at that. That is nice. That is nice, that sauce. Now, it said on there, like a bit of sort of sweet and sour sauce, didn't it, like, on the jar? Did it say it on there? Or
I don't know.
Something else, like, no, I can't remember. No, it might be something else I was reading. Originating from the Missouri community of India. Yeah, spicy. Yeah, a spicy sweet and sour sauce. It says on the front there. And you can actually. It's not like sweet and sour you'll get from a Chinese, is it?
No.
No, definitely not. But that's got a lovely flavour to that.
That has.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Yeah, and that's not too hot, is it? She was panicking. She see free chili. She say, "What free chili?" She say. Oh, there we go. We're gonna get the milk. It look like the cow's on strike again. That's lovely, that, isn't it? Cool.
It is. That's a banger, isn't it?
That is a banger. And that's no way of free chili, is it?
No.
No way. Even if there's a slight builder. I've 2 or 3 mouthfuls now, and I've got the faintness of warmth. I mean, if you want it hotter, then obviously bung some chilies into it. But
the flavours are immense.
they are.
Aren't they?
They're really nice, that is. Really nice. Right, score it, Kay.
I'd give it a 9.
Yeah, I'll join you on that. That's really good.
The flavours, they're
That's
full of flavour.
that is.
And it's not hot like it's got a little bit of heat because I can feel
Yeah, a
it.
little tiny bit on the back of the throat. I suppose as you finish your meal, that will get hotter, but that's nothing what's going to burn your mouth away, is it? Definitely not.
No.
And you can, as I say, the sweet and sour is nothing like the Chinese sweet and sour.
No, it
It's
isn't.
Sweet and sour.
It's an Indian.
It's an Indian one, and that's really good. And that's the first time I've tried this, and that won't be the last either. Because if I've got any more up there, I'll get some more. Pathia, that is. Yeah, 169. Go for it. Try it. Give it a go. Right, thumbs up if you like this. We're off to enjoy this. Give us your comments below. Have you tried it? Because that is really good.
There's some more sauce over there.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry about sauce at the moment. I'm so hot. It's ridiculous. Yeah, give us your comments. Let us know if you tried this one before. First time I tried it won't be the last.
No, it won't.
9 out of 10 from both of us. Very, very good. Very, very nice indeed.
Full of flavour.
That is, definitely.
Yeah.
And if you didn't subscribe yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. We'll hopefully catch you and repeat the next one.
See you. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.